Wow. No dime, no shoe, nothing.
Dime, nothing. All this money that was passed through your account, what was it for? This 300,000 that was paid to you, what was it for? This 200,000 that was paid to you, what was it for? All this money was sent to you to take care of a Jazzy. Did you do so? You lied to him. You ripped the young boy out. And now you're coming here to call me names. You're going to defend this in court.
Junior Pope called me, same name with Easter.
Junior Pope gave me your number and I gave your number to my team, and my team contacted you and had a verbal agreement with you that you're going to be paid 100,000 for everything you do. You came in with your Jazzy saying he's your boy, that you're going to be taking care of him from your pay 100,000. That was you guys' agreement. It wasn't my agreement. And when you finished that, we took you guys to the studio, you recorded, and you were leaving and paid 300,000 because Jazzy did something nice, not even you. Jazzy did something nice. I paid 300,000. This is the evidence. What is my problem?
kcee has never posted us.
Yeah, and you say kcee has never posted you. You're a big liar. I posted you on my page. Post with my brother 9th of June. The song dropped 2nd of June. We posted you 9th of June. We posted even before 9th of June. You know, we kept on posting you even on my 5-star page. This is it. And you still say I never posted you. I even called you, bought you guys a suit, took you to a restaurant, make a video with my producer so that we can have a proper promotion for the job, which I did, and I put it in all the blogs, tagged you. Now you said I never posted you. You're also going to defend it in court. You said I never called you for the music video. You're a big liar. This is a proof of the flight ticket that was sent to you and you refunded it back to us. This is the evidence. When I called you to come for the video shoot, we were supposed to shoot on a Sunday and we'll go to Obi's house on the Monday. But you refused. The other boys from Owerri and Warri that did the cruise dance, I brought in all of them, you know, and this is a proof. They all came and they participated. And we went to Obi's house the next day. This is it. You know, we all had fun. Took care of them. Why are you calling me names? You refunded the money that you're busy, you have other things going on. You even called that same period to come and sign your publishing. This is the publishing. Everybody has signed the publishing. Only you and Jazzy. You refused to bring Jazzy when we told Jazzy to come and sign. You said no, that you don't know what he's going to come and sign. You seized him because you want to own him. You want to put him in a contract so he can't deal with anybody. How are you calling us names? You're not taking care of him. Why are you calling us names?
He has never ever given us a single show.
All the shows I called you for, what did you do? You turned them down. You told me, you said it in your interview, that you have billboards here and there.
I have 4 shows.
How is it my problem? I called you almost 3 times.
My billboard full everywhere in Asaba.
The other time I called you, you turned it down. How is it my problem? How is that my problem? And igwe credo, don't forget you told us not to deal with Jazzy, that we should deal with you. And all the money and every transaction passed through your account. These are all the receipts of the money that passed through your account. That means you've not been taking care of Jazzy. You've been lying to him. So you need to explain to him, because these are all the evidence of the money passed through you. I've never dealt with Jazzy. The only time I gave Jazzy money was when he called upon me some weeks ago that his father was ill, and I sent him some money in his account directly. That's the only money that's passed through my account to him. And also, I sent your wife some money. I told you to send your wife's account, and I sent some money to your wife. That's all. Every other money passed through your account. Why didn't you take care of these people? And you're calling me names. You're going to answer all this in court. You said you spent 6 days in Lagos, big liar. You never spent 6 days in Lagos. Easter,
the laundry,
just 2-3 days celebration.
Expenses, everything.
2 days.
Cost us almost 300 and something. Or just the page.
Recorded ojanpiano, and I was excited. Everybody was excited, and I gave you 300,000 when you were going. Do you understand? How is it my problem? Your feeding and every other thing in the hotel was paid for by my humble self. Why are you lying to the public that Jazzy paid for you 300,000? Who gave Jazzy? I will pull down the receipt, everything from the hotel, and I will get the proof. You will have to bring your proof of where you spent that money for 6 days and where you slept for 6 days. I want to see it.
The last day we stayed, we had to pay for the food we ate, around 70-something thousand.
That was the last day you spent. You came to Lagos the second time on the island this time, and you stayed in the hotel for just I think it was 1 night or 2, which everything was paid for. I have the receipt, and my team paid for your feeding and your hotel, everything in the night, and you were to travel fresh flight in the morning by 7, and I was sleeping, and you had a guest in the night that came in, and he or she ate about 17,000. They asked you to pay for it. How is that my problem? This is the receipt, my people. You said 70,000, meanwhile 17. That's why he has been exaggerating and calling me names. You're going to defend all this in court. And you said
as of then, here now they Lagos 750.
Because kcee, Limpopo, Ishare. Listen to me, my brother. If I see anywhere they pay you 750,000 before Ojanpiano, I will triple that money. You that came to our house, we were spraying you money. You need a big ego. I sprayed you, my mother sprayed you, my brother sprayed you, my siblings sprayed you. And you were so happy, praising us. Today, you are dragging me for a song that is just barely 5 months. It's not even up to 5 months. I released that song 2nd of June. Go and check it. And this is just November. Check the time. You are going to defend everything you have said about me in court.
Well, there is no way you agree unless you have to do the video.
Social media this, and I called you on the phone and asked you what is going on, and you said no, that people want to spoil your business with me, that you're going to make a video. And you made 2 videos. You told me you made one the previous day you were supposed to post, that you're going to make another one, and you did 2 videos. Did I put gun in your head? No, I was in America. Why would you be saying I asked you to put the video? Did I force you to do it? You're also going to defend this. And for you, Igwe, Credo and Jazzy, that have been going around performing ojanpiano and ojajinja, my song, without my permission, without consent, making money off it, you're going to pay back that money because you did all that and you're still calling me out. This is the evidence of the registration of this ojanpiano song. It belongs to me. It's my genre. You have to pay for it. All the money you made out of this song, you're going to give it back to me. Since you're calling me names, you're going to defend this in court. And Igwe, Credo and Jazzy, pay us. You're saying this song is barely 5 months old. I haven't even collected the royalties from the songs. It's still out there piling. I didn't want to collect it because I needed time. Now, I paid you guys professionally for what you asked for. Now, because the song is blown, you are expecting, like Igwe, Credo and Jazzy said, that the song has made 1.6 billion. Even if you make 1.6 trillion, it's my business, it's my money, it's my music. Do you know how much it costs to promote music? Do you know how much it cost me to promote that song? So it's my choice and my decision if I want to be kind to you guys and give you guys something. Go and check all the people I've worked with in the past. Most of them I bought them cars, most of them I helped, most of them I sent abroad. I've done a lot for a lot of them. Why weren't you guys patient? Why are you guys not even patient? Then you started calling me out from the one because you don't know what the business is. You don't know how to run the business. You're going to defend all these insults you gave me in court.